So today I'm going to discuss yesterday's LeetCode challenge bi-weekly contest problem. First problem was check if grid satisfy condition. So this is actually related. Similar question has already I have explained. Like question number was 3122. They actually here what I have to do that we will be given a 2D matrix M cross N. You need to check if each cell grid ij is following this equal to the cell below it means grid I comma j equal to grid I plus 1 comma j if it exists. Different from cell to its right means grid I comma j not equal to grid I comma j plus 1 means next column. Return true if it all satisfied this condition, otherwise return false. So on the question number 3122, they want to convert a given matrix to this condition. They are asking to how many minimum number of operations needed to convert those matrix to this condition based matrix. Okay, here actually I have to check only that this current matrix is following this condition or not. If following, then return true, else return false. So this is in one observation. Let's check. Let's see, like grid I comma j will be equal to grid I plus 1 comma j. Okay. Suppose this is a matrix of 3 cross 4. 4 cross 3, so 1, 1, 2, 3. Suppose this is 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, let's this condition first condition is following, right? Why? Grid 0 comma 0 is equal to 1 comma 0, right? Both are 1 1, but is this following for this cell, like for 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 0, this is value is 1, here it is value is 2, so both are not same, so this is not following. So one condition is that you can check for this observation, for this condition, that all columns should be equal, means like in one first column, if first element is 1, then if it's following this condition or following this matrix type, that then all the elements on that column should be 1 1 1, all should be 1. Okay, and for the next column, suppose one element is 2, then if it's have to follow this condition, that then all elements should be 2 2 2. Okay, got it, right? So in one column it should be equal, means grid here 0 comma 1 both are same, 1 comma 2 both are same, for this 2 comma 3 both are same, right? In this this is following the first condition. For the next condition, you can see that if one column is suppose starting all are 1, then next column or the previous column should not be 1. This should, it may be happen that both are all are 2, here all are 3. Okay, it may happen that all are 2 also possible, but not equals to 1. Okay, so I have to check two conditions, that all columns should be equal. Okay, if all columns are not equal, then it's definitely not following this condition. Otherwise, if it's following the all columns are equal, then I have to check that all columns are different from each other or not, or neighbor column. Like if in column 0 it's 3 or 2, then column 1 should not be 2. It should not be 2. Rest element are possible. For column 2 also, we have to check that this should not be 1 for column 2, because the previous column was element was 1, so it should not be 1 here. So if it both are this condition are following, that I have to return true. Otherwise, if any where it's not following the condition, I have to return false. So let's see the code. So first I am find out the number of row and number of column. Okay, so first I am checking that all columns are equal or not. Okay, like for first I will check that for column 0 all elements are same or not. So I am traversing for column wise, means column 1, column 0, then column 1, okay, then column 2. Okay, so that's why we are taking a for loop. So c is equal to 0, column 0 to column less than n. Okay, and row, what will be the row? I have to check that row comma column 0 equals to same or not with r plus 1 comma column 0. Because column are fixed, I have to check the first row with the second or the next row of the second row, right? So that's why I will check row will be what will be range of row with 0, and I have to check the next row r plus 1. That's why our row will be less than m minus 1. Okay, so now I will check that grid r comma column not equal to if r plus 1 comma column means these two are not same. Okay, these two are not same. Then I have to return false from that, because if anything not following, then I have to return false. If suppose I found out that all column are same, means here all our elements are 1 1 1 1, here all are 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, now what I have to check that these two column different or not. So that's why I have to just check that first I have already checked the rest of elements, so I have to first find out that this is 1, this is 2 or not. So that's why our column should be range will be 0 to column less than n minus 1, because I have to check with C, then C plus 1, current column and the next column. That's why I check grid 0 comma column equal to 0 comma column plus 1, 0 comma column. Why 0? Because if I don't have to check the next element or not, means first row, second row. Why not? Why I don't have to check? Because I have already checked that this column should be fixed same. Means if it's already 1, then here already should be 1. Okay. Otherwise we from this point I will return false. So from 0 comma column I will check 0 comma column plus 1. If both are same, first column and next column, then I will return false. If no one, if all are not following, then all are I have to return true, right? What the time goes out of this n square, because they are in two for loop, nested for loop. That's why this will be big of n square. Got it, right? And you can also see my video for the related question. I have mentioned 312 LeetCode question number. It will be helpful more. Okay, thank you.